Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to sort birthdays in Excel by month and day. Like and subscribe, support the channel, let's get started. To start sorting by months and day, we will use two functions. The first function is the months and the second is the day. We enter the months function in the corresponding cell and specify as an argument the cell with the date from which we will need to extract the months. Great, now copy the formula down to the end of the table. This is done by double-clicking on the bottom right corner of the cell. We do the same with the day function. We type the function, extract the day from the date, and extend the function down. So now for the most important thing, go to the Data tab and select Sort. As you can see, our range is highlighted automatically. Then in the Sort By field, we select the months column and let the sorting order be from smallest to largest. If everything is left as it is, then we will sort the birthdays only by month. And to sort the table at the same time and by day, add another sorting level. Click Add Level and select the day column in the Then By field. We don't change the sorting order, click OK, and our data is sorted by month and day. For example, in January we have days from the 1st to 24th, and in February from the 5th to the 27th, and so on. It's all. Now we know a little more. Thanks for watching.